These are the Orbit V8 playing cards, the second fully marked deck by them, the first of which, the Orbit V7. Now if you want to know how to read the V7s, I'll leave the link to the marking system reveal in the description, but today we're not dealing with the V7s, today we're dealing with the V8s. Now first when I looked at this deck, I thought it would be in the constellations with the meteors and stars, because of what happens when you riffle through. Then I took a closer look and realized that's not where it is. This time, look right there. This deck's hidden marking system is going to be in the dirt in the top right and lower left hand corners. And it is a fully marked reader's deck. And this means that luckily for us, we will not have to get out some sort of cipher. We will simply be able to look at what the number is and or value, and then look at what the suit is based on the shape on the card. Now look in this lower left hand corner, we're going to look at the values first. This is what it's going to look like for an A, which would be then an ace. Next we're going to have, of course, a 2, followed by 3. This is the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which I find to be easiest, Jack, Queen, and King. And then any jokers or add cards, which in this case would only be the duplicate, will have nothing. And then for suits, this is clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. Now that you know that this deck is fully marked and a reader's back, and that the V7s are also a fully marked reader's back, you know that Orbit is going to be a deck to trust. So if you want to see the review, I posted it only 2 days ago, and you can check that in the description below. Plus, these cards and the rest of the Orbit deck series are all going to be in the description for 10% off, so I can save you some money when picking up these cards. And I will have one last thing to tell you before you go. I have just dropped a merch site, so if you want to pick up a hoodie, t-shirt, or anything else there, I would really appreciate it. And if you do want to pick something up, you can use code SUMMER21 for 10% off through the first of this upcoming month. But if you're not in a place where you can support financially, just some feedback, just by going over there, checking out what you like, checking out what you don't like, and leaving me a comment telling me what I can improve for the site, that would mean the world to me. Now I have shown other marked decks here on this channel. I believe this is either number 6 or number 7, so I'll leave the full playlist in the pinned comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you guys can get notified when a new video drops on the channel, which at this point is all the time. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Card Perfect, signing off.